If you're looking to stop recurring charges on Facebook, follow these simple steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Start by opening your web browser or the Facebook app and logging into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on the downward-facing arrow in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Go to Payments. In the left-hand menu, find and click on Payments. This section will show you all your payment methods and any active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 4. Manage Subscriptions. Look for the Manage option under the Subscriptions section. Here, you will see a list of all your active subscriptions. Click on the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 5. Cancel Subscription. Follow the prompts to cancel the subscription. Make sure to confirm the cancellation when prompted to ensure that you will no longer be charged. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any recurring charges on Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out to Facebook support.